Not quite off the middle of the bat. It's enough to get the crowd roaring. Oh, that's beautifully placed. Threaded the needle on that occasion and right off the middle. Oh, that's a lovely shot. Outfield is not over quick. And a good chase. Chance for Waqar, and he's grabbed it. Looked like he might have just changed pace a little bit on Ganguly. That was a very good catch. Waqar.
Oh, and he's gone, he's out, caught behind, Waqar Younis. Waqar Younis has bowled beautifully. Similar sort of situation, huge amount of experience. Short delivery, tried to pull it away. Yes, got it wide of the fieldsman. So that's broken the nexus a little bit. Really were getting stuck.
That's well struck. That one's much more off the meat of the bat. Long chase for Shoaib Akhtar. I picked that one early, the slower ball, and a lovely flick of the wrists. That'll be 4. Good over for India, this one. Edged and taken by Moin Khan. So Shoaib Akhtar has got another breakthrough.
And that's driven nicely. He's found a gap on this occasion and the boundary. That's a great shot. That's gone. Waqar Younis has struck. He's got the outside edge of Azharuddin's bat. And a good bowling change inflicted here by Moin Khan.
I bowled him, he's bowled him. Beautiful delivery. I think that was an off-cutter. He's having a great time. That one nips back. 298 wickets in one-day international cricket. It's no wonder he can bring himself to smile just a little bit. That was a good ball. Waqar again. Down the leg side. Oh, that's bias. That's bias. That is a full toss. It stayed down. He's also one of the beneficiaries. Down the ground. Oh, just over his head. Just over his head. I don't think he picked it. Wasim Akram didn't pick that one. Very well fielded. There it is. Bowls him. He's got 5. He's got 5. Boy, we picked it. The old slower off-cutter. He got it up there, and he's ended up getting 5 wickets, and does he deserve it? This has been a great performance by Waqar Younis. He's back on track and bowling really well for Pakistan.
Very well bowled.
Well, it's up there, and that's the end of proceedings. 174 for 9. Pakistan have won this match in a very comprehensive manner. Waqar Younis wanders off the ground.